Hi, Nicole Smith here from BEM Auto. Today we're going to demonstrate the implementation of the Morgan press to mold a small plastic part we use in production. We require about 2,000 of these plastic parts a year as part of the assembly for the BEM Auto DEF lock for Ram diesel trucks. Originally, this part was fully machined from stock plastic, but in an effort to reduce production cost, we changed over to this simple molding process. The pellets we use to make this part are a black high-impact polystyrene plastic, which we purchase in 50-pound containers from Premier Plastics. For our purposes, no pretreatment or drying is necessary. See below for vendor information. This is a very simple, easy to machine, and inexpensive aluminum mold. The anatomy of the mold is as follows: the open-shut mold set, the locating pins, the pop studs, and the removable pin inserts. There are no ejection pins because the parts do not shrink closed on any feature of the mold. The lack of ejection features increases cycle time and handling, which also increases piece cost when using this mold in production, but greatly simplifies the initial mold build and reduces introductory tooling cost. This is a 20-ton Morgan press that we recently purchased. We chose this unit over a much higher tech boy press because it offered greater versatility with a somewhat lower startup cost. The production capabilities of the Morgan press are adequate for our current need, though apparently much lower than the boy press. The greatest advantage to the Morgan press, in our view, is the outstanding ability to use simple and coarse, that is, inexpensive prototype molds. The process parameters we chose for the parts that we're molding are as follows: an 8-ton clamping force, 4,500 psi injection pressure, 430 degree Fahrenheit barrel temperature, 450 degree Fahrenheit nozzle temperature, with no preheating or no heating of the mold. It takes about 5 up and down dry cycles of the table to get the platen height adjusted so that the clamping force is applied to the mold correctly. The assembled mold is placed on the locating screw head on the platen with the safety shield pulled down. The pull knob to raise the platen is pulled. After the platen is fully raised and locked, the pull knob to start the injection process is also pulled. By using the pop-open studs, the mold halves can be quickly separated by popping the mold on the tabletop. We try always to make sure to place the mold halves on the table in the same orientation each cycle to aid in quick reassembly. Once open, the sprue is pulled out of the top mold using the pliers. The mold is then reassembled. A quick look at the towel marks confirms a correct matchup of the mold halves. The reassembled mold is used as a fixture for quick removal and reinstallation of the insert pins. Some minor handwork is required to have an assembly-ready part. Thank you very much for watching our video. Please do not hesitate to comment or subscribe or click the notification bell. Please also see below for any vendor information that we may have available.